You know what I did? I had another video planned, and somehow I think I turned it off. So this would be the second part of the first. I'm gonna have to number them, like Nature Boy video number 1. This will be Nature Boy video number 2. Somehow I turned the other one off. Oh well. I got a good 5 minutes. Wow. Well, as I was saying, the other one, the Nature Boy video number 1. Remember, this was number 2. Don't forget that. 1 and this is 2. So this one we're gonna be raking. He's like, what do you mean raking? Well, does he actually mean raking? Yeah, I mean raking. Like with a rake. But don't worry. I'll be talking to you. Oh yeah. I usually say, never take my advice, right? Best advice is to not take my advice. But in this case, I'm being serious. Do take my advice. When you're under trees, always look up. Make sure them there branches ain't loose and won't fall as best you can. Because if you get cracked in the head with a big enough branch, it may debilitate your brain. You don't want that. Trust me. That's not all I'm raking. I'm raking more. But I'm going to set it on fire because of mosquitoes. You know, the smoke will help keep the mosquitoes away. I'm over here, by the way. I was out of camera shot. I know y'all missed me. I was out of camera range. It ain't easy, you know, being a big screen superstar. I wonder if people really think that. Like, I'm on YouTube. I'm a superstar. Well, I don't want to be a superstar, and that's not why I started making videos. I'm gonna make sure this thing's still recording, though. It is. Wow, 3 whole minutes. I'm gonna put it on the fire, though. Maybe I should angle it a little further back so you get all of my sexy shenanigans. Fire is always cool. I don't care who you are. You can be whoever. Fire is always cool. You can get around a campfire and people love it. They love it. It's better if you had some hot dogs. But I tell you, I'm actually cooking inside. That's right. Inside, I can, what's it called? Multitask. I put some butter, you know, some chicken grease, whatever you want to call it, from baked chicken, you know, chicken fat. Put that in the pan. I cut up some real fine Vidalia onions and an avocado that was ripe. I would ripen those rascals. Anyhow, so they're simmering on low. And then I'm going to put some hamburger meat in the skillet a little later. Cook it all together. That's going to be so good. But talking about, you know, outdoor fires, if I had some hot dogs, wait, maybe not hot dogs. I ain't too into that shit no more. Let's face it, hot dogs ain't that great. They taste good, Absolutely, they taste good. Yeah. Are they good for you? Not hot dogs. Plain old hamburger meat. Yeah. And I always get my hamburger meat or chicken or deer, whatever. You don't usually have to worry about deer, but if you buy store-bought meat, you got to worry about dang antibiotics and growth hormone, which that's why they use antibiotics. Fatten the animals up. Not good. And when they say grass-fed, you got to be careful about that too, because it's tricky. They use tricky words. But you get you some of that healthy meat. I usually go with plain old chicken. Now, if I wasn't out here trying to get all these dang leaves up, or some of them, I'd be cooking me some chicken out here. I got a little grill. This is ridiculous. Oh well. It's smoking, I know it'll flash soon enough. Oh look. It did start. Hot dog, baby. So yeah, talking about cooking and all. Let me tell you what. I love the meats. Better than Arby's. But you gotta be careful buying that stuff. You really do. They will trick you up. I'll tell you something else is good. Fasting. Don't eat no meat or nothing for one day. Just don't eat nothing. Then the next day eat you some healthy stuff like cabbage and chicken. I love or beans. Beans. I love beans. Beans are some of the best vegetables ever. All beans. I don't care. White beans. Black beans. I'm not a bean racist. I'll eat all beans. The brown beans. Red beans. We need a happy bean day. Garbanzo beans. Anyhow, cook you some grilled chicken that's been cooked on whatever, oak wood or whatever kind of wood you got. Don't matter. My nerd glasses keep falling off. I got sweat on my nose. Yeah, they're nerd glasses. I'm checking the other fire. I got 2 fires going, baby. Soon I'm gonna have 3. But anyhow, lost my train of thought. Cook oak wood, dogwood, whatever you like cooking with. It's good. So we're going back to the fire. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Smells great. There ain't no plastic chemicals up all in it. It's just plain old chicken mother fire. It's just plain old wood. Let's see. I told y'all this was going to be super exciting. Very exciting. And if you like, if you've watched any of my other videos, you're probably wondering like, why Why is this video so damn boring? Alright. Well, that's it. All I'm doing is trying to make some videos. Just, supposedly the more videos you make, well, more people watch. Now, I don't know, maybe people want to watch. You know, some boring guy from Dublin, Georgia, in case y'all wondering where I'm at. Dublin, Georgia, not Dublin, Ireland. Although, my family is from Ireland. Ironic, I don't know. But, in a minute, I guess we'll go back inside. That's really fun. I've still got a rake over here, though, around the other tree. We'll get that stuff burnt. You don't deal with it, nip it in the bud. Well, you know, if it weren't for the limbs and all, that's really what I'm trying to get. But might as well get the limbs and the leaves around the trees. Because then when you cut the grass, you don't have to worry about limbs, you know. You don't want that. And the grass needs cutting. You tell me. Does the grass need cutting? Yeah, it needs cutting. Look at them. See how I stuck the logs in there? There's my funeral pyre. See how I stuck these logs upside, well, right side up, whatever. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. No, I'm gonna turn them into something. They're kind of like totem poles, kinda. Oh well, okay. So I'm turning this back around. I'm going over here. I'm gonna leave it on that fire where y'all can see it, you know, blow up. Well, not blow up, but you know, fire up. I got that fire, baby. But now we gotta get this one. And remember, always check the limbs. When you walk on a tree, you better check the limbs. But I don't want to sound like a know-it-all. I don't want to sound like a mansplaining. Woo! Yeah, I don't want to sound like I'm mansplaining to anyone, but I'm being straight up with you. Always look up when you're underneath trees. You know, I actually knew a person that was at lunch. He was on his lunch break, and hey, this fire's starting to fire up. Hot dog. But he was on his lunch break, eating lunch underneath an oak tree. A limb fell on his head and turned him into a quadriplegic. And I'm dead serious. I'm not gonna say his name. He had just had a little son that was born, and his wife, they had to stay at a hotel I was working at, real nice hotel. Their insurance paid for it while they renovated their house. But man, that was horrible. Sitting under a tree, eating lunch, and boom! Next thing you know, you can't move your damn arm. He can move one hand. He can move around a mobile wheelchair. So, always check them limbs above your head, baby. Some of them might fall on you. Hey, my fire's going real good. I get excited about the little things in life. Oh my God, check this out. Boy, badass. Look, Yeah. That there badass now. Soon enough, I will have 3 fires going. I'm gonna be right here. Make another exciting video. I promise my other videos are gonna be far more exciting and artistic. That's why I started doing this. I don't do this to make money. None of my platforms as of yet are monetized. I may do that. I don't know. I mean, I don't see a problem with making money from your art. If that's what a person decides to do. But the reason why I do this, just for fun. For funsies. Where else can I be a big silly goose? So, I make my YouTube videos. I don't know. To all the Godzillions, as in Godzilla, yuns, like billions, but Godzillions. I'm explaining my comedy to you. But to all the Godzillions of people that watch me, leave your comments. Should I monetize my platforms? That'd be kind of disappointing to monetize your platforms and then come to find out nobody really digs your comedy. Like, hey, you monetized yourself, but nobody's buying. Oh, the rejection! That would be horrible. Hey, you know who I like listening to? People who are monetized on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. The people that are monetized, and they're always boo-hooing and crying that nobody watches them. And they're always begging people to watch them and to like their shit. Make interesting content. That, I don't know. Silly concept. Make interesting content, and maybe people like you. Look at that. The whole bridge of my nose bruised from somebody sucker punching me there. And now it's like giving me a really, really, really big nose, and my glasses are slipping off. Now I can see anyway with them. So anyhow, it's just a kooky thought for anyone that may need some advice, some mansplaining. Make interesting content, and people will watch it, guaranteed. Just ask Mr. Beast or whoever. But like I said, this is my art. This ain't really art. This is just me rambling on. I guess we'll call this a blog. But this ain't really art. I mean, this is just me rambling. But my other shit is art. It's art. It's comedy, you know. I mean, but if you don't like my comedy, you know, so what? If I monetize it and you don't like my comedy now, I'm gonna be really hurt. My feelings are gonna be hurt. Not really. My feelings won't really be hurt if you don't like me. Apparently I'm gonna have to get some paper towel or something like that to start that fire. I guess none of y'all would ever imagine me having been in the Boy Scouts. And he... Hey, he can't start a fire. You know how you can tell if a person's really country? If they can take some flint rock, and strike that flint rock, strike the flint rock together and make a fire, that's country. Now that's country. And then of course go out and kill your own food, light it down and eat it, cook it and eat it. And you know, there's this one dude, what's his name? The Liver King, something like that. Supposedly eats raw food. Well, I wouldn't do that. Don't do that. Eating raw food is not that wise. Look, we're gonna go over here. I don't think that, I'm not gonna be able to start that fire without some dang paper towel. So, I don't know. Should I go get some paper towel? Just nod your head if I should. Just say yes. I'm going out here. I'm going out here raking up all these leaves because I don't know. And by the way, if all you godzillions of people that watch this, leave your comments in here and let me know. Did you learn anything today? Like making sure a limb ain't hanging from a tree, about to fall. Always be looking up. Always be looking. Plus that's positive. That's a positive thought, isn't it? Always be looking up, you know. That's kind of positive. But let me know. Let me know if you learned anything. Like looking up in a tree. Making sure there ain't no limbs that'll fall. Or, let's see. What else might you have learned today? Well, you've learned that maybe I'm not as country as what I think I am, because apparently I can't start no dang fire with dry leaves. That's pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. I'm using these leaves are as dry as a bone. These leaves are dry as a bone. I can't get them to start. Except for this one. I don't know. I seem to, well, you know what? I'm not giving myself enough credit. I guess I'm not being positive enough. Boing! Yeah, I'm barely learning how to even use a camera. I want to make movies, like little short movies, Amuleto movies, but I'm either going to need to learn more of how to operate a camera or find an editor or whatever. That is also my art. But I'm not giving myself enough credit because I do have 2 fire starters. So 2 out of 3. I mean, that ain't that bad. See, look. And then that one. That's dang horrible. All the trash in it. But, and that's my punching bag in the back. If you see right there. That's a punching bag. There's my other punching bag. He is so interesting. See, there's the other one. He is so interesting. Alright, so I was just explaining, you know, what the hell that is. It's a punching bag. So I got that fire burning. I'm gonna leave this right here. Looks pretty good, smoking good. I love that. Keeps mosquitoes off of you. Good Lord. Dang mosquitoes. I usually spray with that natural insect repellent. But, I mean, really, they love me. And it shouldn't be because of any chemicals. Because I've been fasting. You know, I don't know, mosquitoes still want me. Too bad I can't get certain other people in my life to want me as greatly as mosquitoes. I mean, dang it. You know, there's one drawback here. I can't really, I could put in one of my contacts. Can't put in the other one, of course. So I wear these glasses, right? But I'll be dang. These glasses keep slipping off. Oh well. Whew. So here I am again. I know these like this video is like not interesting. But yeah, I'm making it for myself. I amuse myself. I will sit back later on, watch this myself and go, ooh la la. Ooh, does he look good? But hey, I will have, ultimately, I will have the satisfaction of having got up all these limbs so I can cut grass. Then I don't have to worry about finding a lawnmower. But I'll tell you something. I was trimming the hedges with an electric hedger. Yeah, I'm a sissy. I use electric or gas. If I had gas, I'd use it. But dang, I bound it up, mucked it up. I did not like that. I hope I can fix it. But I ain't so sure. Am I gonna be able to fix it? I don't know. I don't know. Will I be able to fix it? I don't know. But this will probably be the end of this video. 30 minutes, that's good. I mean, I would love watching me for 30 minutes. I am going to later, actually. But the next video will probably be me out once again holding up a blank cardboard sign, protesting protesters or whatever. Something, I gotta do something. I think I want to start interviewing people. I don't know. Y'all can give me some ideas, like some really goofy interviews that probably really will. Somebody else will hit me. I've got some great questions. Not necessarily bad, but they can be it can't be misconstrued as being offensive, but it'd be hilarious. Oh well. That's what I intend on doing. Maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? If it's pretty like today. Look how beautiful it is today. Look at that. Look at the sky and the clouds. Look at that. Beautiful, ain't it? Yeah. That is like azure blue or whatever. Hey, this is gonna make a great picture with like the sun right behind me. Oh! He thinks he's an angel. I don't. I'm not an angel, but I'm not a devil either, or a demon. Oh well, I don't know. Some people probably think that when I dress crazy. Anyhow, stay classy, YouTube people. YouTube people. You people from YouTube. That's offensive to say you people from YouTube. You Earth people. I gotta go check on my dang beef that's inside. Beef, avocado, Vidalia onion, and secret spices that you do not get to know. No carbs, no bread, no pasta, none of that shit. Or sugar ever again. Shit's damn poison. We've always known it. That's why sugar's in everything. They put it, it's addictive and it's poison. It's killing us. I'm being serious about that. Look all that stuff up yourself. And fasting. You learned about fasting today and trees up above your head. And how smoke keeps mosquitoes away. But yeah, fasting, baby. Try it. Look into it. Dr. Pradeep Jamnada or Jason Fung. Look into fasting. And it ain't no, I think it's somewhere in the back of people's minds. Like, just stay away from any and all sugar and simple carbs like pasta. You really don't need them. Your body really doesn't need them. And you can study that yourself. Research that yourself. I mean, you'll feel so much better. I know I do. And I lost a shit ton. And yeah, that's a real measurement. Shit ton. It's not really, but I think a butt ton is. But I lost a shit ton of weight just cutting out sugar and carbs. Yeah, for real. And eating cruciferous vegetables, your green vegetables, or cauliflower, and meat. Yeah, for real, baby. And I feel so much better. Sometimes I still have sugar cravings, but not that often no more. I don't even drink soda pops no more. I never thought I'd say that. I never thought, and I went down to drinking diet soda. I don't even want it. And those artificial sweeteners, those are sneaky. Anywho, I'm very proud of this YouTube video. It's 33 minutes. It's a good number. It's a magic number with the sun right behind me. It's giving me that angelic aura, although I have an Uncle Fester from the Addams Family type face. Someone said I kind of look like Woody Harrelson, and I was like, really? I was kind of thinking more like Uncle Fester. Yes, the really, really, really simple-minded Mr. Clean. I could put an earring in my ear and shave it. Kind of look like Mr. Clean. But just think of an earring there. More so Uncle Fester from the Addams Family. Oh my God. You know what? Don't even bother me. I mean, I'm pretty sure Uncle Fester somewhere was getting some from somebody. Somebody was giving him pity sex, but I'll take it. I'll take pity sex. Yeah, alright. I'm going. I gotta check on my food. Stay classy, Dublin, Georgia. Cause you know I ain't. I'm taking a picture of that sun right behind me. Oh my God, that is perfect. Oh my God.